strategy for them, but they kind of like have gone the opposite direction. Instead of actually building Bitcoin into Novi and giving it to 1 billion people, which they probably should have done, they kind of, you know, tried to create their own currency with Libra, and it crashed and burned, and then they shut down Novi and gave up. Oops, not good. But I think that the obvious application is a digital wallet for 8 billion people where you can hold a currency and a property, right? What currency do they want? They all want the dollar. They don't want pesos. They don't want Naira. They don't want CNY. They don't. If you look at all the currencies that are currently circulated right now, this year, the pound's down 14%, the euro's down 16%, the Polish zloty's down 22%, the yen's down 23%, the Turkish lira is down 60%, right? Every currency outside the United States is crashing. So the near-term inflation hedge is you swap out your local currency for dollar. Indisputable. Every single person in the world knows that. The long-term inflation hedge is you swap out your weak property for strong property. Like you don't want to own a rental apartment building in Istanbul. You want to own the equivalent amount of Bitcoin, right? Because at some point, if the economy of Argentina or Turkey crashes, then the value of your rental property in Argentina and Turkey will also crash, right? They're derivatives. So that's the killer app. I mean, everything else is an opportunity, right? And as for who's going to ship the killer app, is it Google? Google's got more reach, but a weaker stack. Is it Apple? They've got the best stack, lesser reach, but best stack. Is it Facebook? They've got reach, but, you know, slightly weaker. Who needs it the most? Facebook needs it the most by far, right? And what's going to happen if none of the big three do it? Well, then it's an opportunity. I mean, for, you know, Block is going to chase it. PayPal will chase it. The payment guys, you know, maybe Microsoft or Amazon jumps into the fray, or some other dark horse. Otherwise, the entrepreneurs in the crypto industry will step up.